What's up, everyone? I'm Mike, and I am the CMO and head cheerleader of Meter. Hope you're having a great day. I am super excited about Meter's liquidity mining program, where you can earn rewards of eMTRG, which is the ERC20 version of our governance token eMTRG, by providing liquidity to our balancer and Uniswap pools. For full details of our liquidity mining program, please read the article on our blog, which I've included the link for in the video description. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add liquidity to our eMTRG ETH pool on Uniswap. A couple of points before we begin. First, you should know that contributing to the balancer pool that I mentioned earlier will provide a better yield because of how it's structured and the fact that you'll receive balancer governance tokens as well. But you'll have to create a proxy contract on Balancer and pay some ETH gas fees to do so. So that's up to you. To learn how to add liquidity to our Balancer pool instead, visit the blog post and there are instructions in there. Also, to contribute to this Uniswap pool, you will need to add equal amounts of eMTRG and ETH. So make sure you have enough of both of those assets in your wallet before we begin. All right, let's jump in. First thing you need to do is navigate to our Uniswap pool, and I have included the link to the pool in the video description below. Once you get here, in the upper right hand corner here, click Add Liquidity, and it will open up a new tab. In the upper right hand corner of this tab, click on Connect to a Wallet. Select the wallet of your choice. We're going to use MetaMask today. To find a wallet and account to connect, click Next. All right, and we are connected. So after that's done, in the Add Liquidity box, enter the amount of eMTRG or ETH that you would like to contribute. The amount of the other asset will auto-populate based on what you input. So to that amount there, and then you click Approve eMTRG. MetaMask will do its thing. You have to pay the transaction fees, confirm that. And it will run the process of approving the eMTRG and ETH that you want to add to the liquidity pool. Once that's approved, you'll see this turn into a supply button. Click on supply. It will show you some information about how many pool tokens you will receive, as well as some other information about the transaction. So click Confirm Supply. MetaMask will open up again, and you'll have to confirm more gas fees. Hit Confirm. Transaction will be submitted. Once that transaction gets confirmed, you'll see another approval notification here on Uniswap, and you're all done. So you'll receive Uniswap liquidity provider tokens in the ETH address that you just used to provide liquidity to our pool. Please don't move these around. These are what we use to track your eMTRG rewards for our liquidity mining program. If you have any questions, jump into our Telegram and Discord groups. And we really appreciate you adding liquidity and supporting the Meter Network. Thank you so much.